Hello guys, welcome back to Trend Analysis. So in today's video, we are going to discuss the overall structure of the market, the stocks which we had already analyzed in the last week, and some of the sectors which we need to look out for in upcoming weeks. So let's start the video. The topic for the today's video is the stock which we had already analyzed in the last week, and the sectors which analysis which we did, and the sector which we need to look out for the upcoming week. So kindly like the video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. So first, starting with the Nifty, as we can see that Nifty is clearly in an uptrend. On Wednesday, we got a sharp pullback, but we can see that Nifty is clearly lacking the momentum because here it's in a range, and the candle which we are getting right now is quite narrow range, and there is no broad range candle. So we can clearly see that there is a lack of momentum. However, Nifty is at all-time high, so we need to move higher from this, and I feel that the reason why Nifty is lacking momentum is due to the Bank Nifty. So if we look at the chart of Bank Nifty is in a clear consolidation from past 3 weeks. So Bank Nifty really needs to support Nifty for heading higher. So one of the reason is that some of the heavy lifters of Nifty, something like SDFC Bank, ICC Bank, Axis Bank, are not heading higher. So if once bring the Bank Nifty breaks above this swing high, so those guys can support Nifty, and Nifty will gain the momentum. So now we will discuss the stocks which we had already discussed, and we will see how those perform in the last week. So one of the stock is the Titan. We saw that the Titan gave a breakout from this box over here, this range, and from 1700 it headed till 1750. Now it's in 1730. So the stop loss is in range, so there is nothing to worry about Titan here. It's an all-time high region, so it can clearly head higher from this three levels. The next stock what we discussed was Muthoot Finance. So Muthoot had a clear uptrend we saw, but now the stock is in consolidation. So stock may consolidate up here for a bit, and then it may move higher. The other stock what we discussed was one of the Grassium. So it gave a breakout over 1500, but now the stock is consolidating. So it may consolidate or it may move higher. So we need to look out at how these three stocks are going to perform in the upcoming weeks. So the sector which we discussed in the last week was Nifty IT. So as I mentioned to you guys that Nifty IT can consolidate more over here, and then it may give a breakout. But Nifty IT gave breakout on Tuesday itself, and it broke the swing high of this level, and it headed higher. So some of the Nifty IT heavy lifters, something like Infosys, TCS, HCL, they did very good, and some of the mid cap and the small caps are doing really good. So let me know in the comment section which the IT stocks which you are holding, and the other sector which we discussed was the Nifty Metal. So Nifty Metal was in a clear uptrend, and then it got a pullback and then some consolidation. So if you look over the chart of Nifty Metal, so it's forming something like a cup and a handle. So this could be a zone of resistance. What Nifty in metal is at 55,400. So if Nifty metal gives a confirmation candle over here on Monday, Tuesday, or in upcoming days, so Nifty metal can be one of the good sectors which we need to look out for. And after taking this all-time high region, Nifty metal can clearly go up from this levels. So the some of the stocks which I am going to discuss with you regarding metal are, one is Coal India. So we can see the chart of Coal India that it was in a range from March 2020, and the market rallied so much, but the stock was in a range, and the Coal India got momentum at the last leg of metal rally. So when the metal rally was going to end, this this stock had momentum, but after the pullback, this was also in a consolidation range. But now we can see this is also forming some kind of a cup and a handle pattern. So if a confirmation candle gets on Monday, Tuesday, or in the upcoming week, so this stock can also head higher to something like 200 or 250. With we can take the stop loss as this level of the swing high. The other stock is the Steel Authority of India. So the steel had a clear a good trend, and then it got a pullback, and it consolidated over a range from last 5 to 10 trading sessions, and it gave a breakout over here and this confirmation candle. And look at the volume, guys. So the volumes are clearly on the upside. This is one also one of the stocks which we need to look out for with the stop loss somewhere here, and the first target would be somewhere around 150, 155, and then once it takes out this level, so it can clearly head somewhere around 200 levels. So the last stock which we are going to discuss today is of the Tata Steel. So Tata Steel also had a clear trend in the play, and then it gave a pullback and it consolidated. So now after consolidation, the stock is breaking out of the consolidation. The volume, also look at the volume from the last sessions and the volume in this session. So if the volume expansion is there, and we got if we get a confirmation candle on Monday or upcoming weeks, so this stock can also head higher. First would be this resistance, what is 1240, and if this takes out this 1240, then it's in all-time it will be in the all-time high region, so stock can clearly go off from that level. So these were some of the broader market analysis, the sectoral analysis, and the stock specific analysis which what we discussed in the today's video. If you guys find the video useful, please consider hitting the like button, share your thoughts in the comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.